Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday, Rincon Rocks Radio Live. Dr. Cam here live with Miss Emma from the call center. Miss Emma, tell us a little bit about what we're doing today.
Hello, good morning and good evening here from the Philippines. Right now we're still working on different trainings and consultation on the credit mastery program and as well as live Zoom presentation training with our crypto trade program and smart investing. And also financial education. So stay tuned with us and welcome back everyone to our live stream. And let's hope that we can have.
You need to watch this if you hate missing out. Stop scrolling. Start planning. Week of Feb 22-28, 2026 incoming. Monday kicks off with Trivia Night at Nacho Libre, 7 to 30 p.m. Car 115 kilometers, 11.6, brains and nachos. Also Monday, Drawing Class, 6 to 7:30 p.m. Casa de la Cultura Isabelina in Isabela. Tuesday, Happy Hour at Roots, 5-7 p.m. on Calle Progreso. Tuesday night, live music on the pool deck at Casa Isleña, 6 p.m. Wednesday, Entre Café, Música y Arte in Mayagüez, 6-10 p.m. Local art and live tunes, same night in Isabela. Noches de Artesanías, 5 or 11 p.m. Thursday, Art Walk in Rincon, 6 to 10 p.m. Friday, Artisan Night in Añasco at 6 p.m. Karaoke at Antillano Rincon Cultural at 7 p.m. Saturday, Farmers Market 8-12 to 30 in Aguadilla. Craft Market in Aguada 10 to 6.
All right, we are back. And what we're going to do today is we are naturally, same as we do every day, we're going to be trading the stock market this morning on the NASDAQ, and we will be doing the micro E-mini futures. Market's already open at 9:30, so you're watching it trade live here. I'm going to go ahead and zero in and get us a little bit bigger of a picture. That way we can see our candles a little larger. There we go. All right, we're going to start the account over brand new. This is a trading account, so when you're doing a practice trading account, you can start with any amount of virtual money. I like to start with a minimum of $1,000. It's more realistic. You can start for as little as $500, but it's very difficult to make much profit on that because you have to have in your trading account, you have to have $100 in equity in order to trade one contract in the micro E-mini futures. So we're going to just theorize that we're going to start with $1,000. Then we go over here to our units of trade, which is our amount of contracts. Right here where you see my cursor. And we are going to trade today. We're going to start with 10 units to trade. And that's going to give us risk reward ratio of 10 to 1. And that's not a bad risk reward ratio. We have to be confident that whatever direction that we trade, that we go up or down according to our investment. And today I'm looking at the market. I've looked at it a little while this morning. I generally get in and start looking at, first thing I look at is the news. So let's look at the news. I'll walk you through what my day looks like. So we're clicking on the news and we see that 2 hours ago, AI has got some information for us. Let's see. AI doom and tariff gloom 2 hours ago. U.S. stock future 2 hours ago as well. U.S. stock future steady after Monday's battering. Yesterday was a horrible stock day, but it was decent trade if you were knowing what you were doing. You could trade up or down. Tariffs, AI concerns dominate. So we see that the tariff and the AI concerns are still dominating today, and we just need to trade accordingly. That means it's an emotionally charged day. Probably going to be a trade the red candle down day. But now, since the trade the red candle's down, that's called a short trade, is very speculative. I don't usually trade down. I just don't. This would be one of those days when I just did something else. I'd find something else to do, and I just wouldn't trade. But for the sake of showing the trade, we're going to go ahead and get in red. We're going to click the red. We're going to trade down. Go ahead and get in the trade. And with the trade, we're going to go ahead and set our profit at $100. So we have set our trade at $100. Some people like to make $20 a day. Some people like to make $100 a day. Other people have different goals, ambitions. Whatever your goals are, we can help you get there. Again, these are just thoughts and speculations and information from our personal training available to you. To start your own trading account, you would be trading directly with your own virtual account until you learned what you were doing. And then if you decided to trade real money later, start up your own little broker account and trade with the brokerage. So all we really do is hold your hand and teach you the ins and outs and ups and downs. With that, I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of information about our first pillar of wealth, so to speak, and that is our AI Dispute Beast Credit Master.
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
All right, so we are back, and you can notice that we got in the trade for the short trade down right in here somewhere. It started to go up, so I clicked my button, and I literally just switched my direction, okay, which said now I'm going to trade up, I'm going to trade green. I started to trade down because there was a trend of down, but you can always change your mind. You can always jump out with any profit. You can jump out with a little no profit at all, which is called breaking even, or you can jump out and having lost a few dollars, get back in again when you feel comfortable. So I'm confident it's going to be a long trading situation right here. I've got my take profit set in for $100. The green candle is moving up. When it hits this green line right here, it will take profit, and that'll put it down here in our bank, so to speak, our trading account. So as that gets ready to go, let's talk real quick about the 3 pillars of wealth. I did write a series of books called The 3 Pillars of Wealth, which all 3 of these pillars are critical for you to learn how to become satisfied in your financial situation, whether that be just to make sure you can get your bills paid on time. Maybe you've got some people to put through college. Maybe you just want to save a nest egg for retirement, whatever your goals and ambitions are in order to, coming back from around the flu this weekend. So in order to maintain and let's take a look right there. We just made $100 profit. So we did start with $500 in the bank. I'm sorry, $1,000 in the bank. We just made an extra $100. We're going to go ahead and jump back in. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to jump in. We're going to set our take profit at $100. There we go. We made $100 in a little less than 9 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and trade again long. We're going to let the red candle fluctuate a little bit there. Then it's going to head back up. Like I was saying, the 3 pillars are personal credit mastery. We have an affiliate with the AI Credit Dispute Beast, and we'll send you a link, let you sign up. This monitors your personal credit situation, whether you be down to 400 credit or all the way up to super good, awesome credit at 850 personal credit. you are somewhere in the scheme of things. And if nothing else, you need the AI Dispute Beast program to monitor and make sure no negative items do show up monthly on your report. Bearing that in mind, the second level of credit mastery, the second pillar is building business credit. Here's a little information about our affiliate with Credit Suite, the ultimate in business credit building.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com to get started today.
And we are back. You can see that the red candles traded down just a little bit. We're trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ futures today, and it's kind of an up and down day. What can I say? I do believe it is a long day, so we'll watch that green candle climb up. Once again, when it hits the blue line, it's going to start making profit. The profit is going to be based on the fact that we're invested with currently five contracts or units, and it's going to climb up to the point where when it tags that green line, that'll be another $100 in our trading account. A really good way to keep up with what you're doing is to start with, say, 500 on Monday. Trade up, make $100 a day. If that's where you want to be, then call it a day. Come back, make another $100. Then forward that money from your trading account to your bank. At the end of any given week, let's say that's a $500 week profit. You can then decide to take the whole 500 out, or you could reinvest and start that next week with $1,000. So at the end of the month, if you're doing $100 a day, then you've got quite a big little nest egg there to start with that next month, and just kind of build it up as you go. Once again, trade your own theories, trade your own ideas, trade your own thoughts. We'll just help you get started and trade your TradingView platform. Let's run over those three pillars of wealth again. The first one is personal credit mastery. We have an affiliate with Dispute Beast, an AI credit trading and repair restoration program. 2, Credit Suite. We teach you how to build your personal business yourself, build your business credit to over $250,000 in as little as 90 days. And finally, learning to trade the ins and outs of the stocks, commodities, or even cryptos market. With that in mind, we're going to hear a little bit more about one of our programs, and then we'll be right back with you.
Elite Consultants has the best possible program within their 3 pillars of wealth program. Starting with the AI Dispute Beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, Leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm. So you risk none of your own money but use 50K or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And we're back. That green candle sneaks right up there. You can see it climbing. It's going to tag out. It just tagged out another $100 successfully. Once again, we've been on 14 minutes. We've made $200 in our investment strategy. With that, I'm going to pop on there with Ms. Emma. Ms. Emma, tell us a little bit about the packages we have available and kind of what the week would look like if they joined us for a free training class and on up from there.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Yes, we have 3 packages for our credit mastery program. First if you are just curious on how it works with the training, you can actually join our 7 day training that would only cost $100. So you can decide whether after 7 days, if you love the training with us, you can go on to 15 days. And then the last package is the 30-day program. That would be our gold package. So deluxe package, I'm sorry. So you can enroll, or if you want first to see how it works, you can join us for free for only one session of the crypto trade training. So that's how it works with us. And you can also contact me on phone at 877-587-4540 if you have any questions, the time, the schedule. So we're gonna adjust on your availability as long as it is Monday to Friday. And for our Credit Mastery program, we have a free consultation anytime so that we can check and decide what is the kind of help that we can help you in terms of your credit or your business, if you want to need our assistance on how to fix your business credit or to set up your business. So we do that here with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor. So feel free to contact me or message us on our Facebook page. You're muted, sir.
I just noticed that I'm muted. Okay, thank you, Miss Emma. We're back live, Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions, and we're about to jump back into trade on the green side of that candle. We saw it come down a little bit. We see the indicators that we need to know that we can jump back in on the green side. We're going to jump in there. Boom, we're back in green. We're going to set our take profits up there about $100 again, or a little more than 100 this time, maybe 125, something like that. And once again, it's so simple to understand that in order to achieve your financial independence and the goals that you have in life, they should have started teaching us this in school. They never did. This is something that millionaires and billionaires learn as they go. And that is how to leverage whatever it is you have as assets into more assets as you go. Multiple streams of income, things of that nature. I'm going to let our spokesperson, Mike, from Dispute Beast. He's the creator of Dispute Beast, self-made millionaire many times over. He is the gentleman that we communicate with on a regular basis to teach us how to do personal credit and long-term investment.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now, because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process, and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality, because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, Random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest.
All right. Love listening to Mike. He's multimillionaire, self-made many times over. We just made another $100 and wanted you to see that we did start today to make a minimum of $100 a day. We'd like to make $100 a day. Set your own goals and ambitions. I've got a chart here somewhere that explains if your goal is $20 a day or $100 a day or 500,000, whatever it is, completely attainable. Remember, you're trading real-time stock market data here. So although there's absolutely no risk because this is a simulated trade, this is not an actual broker making an entry or investment for you and then you're getting out. We are scalping the market with the simulated trading data. But the only difference in this and a live account is the toggle of one switch on the bottom from paper trading, which means trading simulator, to live account. That's it. Everything else is identical, and this is the same data. So you will be in real market situations. We're going to jump in here. We're going to go ahead and trade long one more time. I feel like it's a good day to go ahead and put another $100 up there. There we go. We'll set our market trading at $100 and let that roll up there and make another 100, and we'll call it a day. With that, there's no way we could make it on Rincon Rocks Radio without sponsors. And here is one of our latest, one of my favorite groups of people to visit, Connect PR Church in Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Welcome to Connect PR.
Bienvenidos a Connect PR.
A bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Where faith is alive and worship is modern.
Donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna.
And everyone is welcome.
Y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home.
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar.
A place to connect with God and with people.
Un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas.
And grow in purpose and community.
Y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton.
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton.
And Pastor Camila Rosa.
Y la pastora Camille Rosa.
We're building a life-giving church with passionate worship.
Estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
Enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak.
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables.
There's a place for you here.
Aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR.
Esto es Connect PR.
Where faith, life, and community connect.
Donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And we're back. Once again, local sponsor there, Connect Church and PR. We're going to roll a little something about our Elite Trading Program, and we'll be right back in about 1 minute.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
And we are back. You can see that it's trending downward right now. We've got a downward trend of the red candles. There's always three ways to handle a trend that's going against your. So what we did is we invested for a trade that's trading long. So we're showing that this trade is going against the grain right now. You can do one of three things. You can get out right now. You can wait for it to come back to the position you need it to be, which, naturally speaking, it's always going to go down for a little while and come back and go up for a little while and come back. So it's anybody's guess when it's going to hit its ceiling. My personal opinions, generally, when I do my research, I see the top and bottom of these things. I know that it's going to come down right in this range where it's coming to right here and bounce off of this trading range and go back to green. So I have no problem at all letting it sit there and idle, bounce off the bottom and go up and get our profit. We are still in profit today because we've made $300 in the last 30 minutes, 25 minutes. We're going to continue to trade and be in profit before we jump out. With that, one more sponsor. This one's out of the U.S., RCR World Travel.
Everyone said I was crazy to book Egypt, but when I stepped off that plane in Cairo, I knew they were wrong. 4 incredible destinations in one trip. The pyramids of Giza left me speechless. Luxor's ancient temples told stories thousands of years old. Then came the Nile cruise. Watching feluccas sail past while I dined on deck was pure magic. And Hurghada? Crystal clear Red Sea waters perfect for diving and relaxation. RCR Global handled everything. Flights, transfers, English-speaking guides, meals, starting at $51.95 per person, with flexible dates available. But here's the thing. Seating is limited. Don't let everyone else talk you out of the adventure of a lifetime. Call 833-477-7477 today.
And we are back. We have some amazing programs going on right now. One of my favorite programs to mention that not nearly enough people are taking advantage of is, let's say you just put a few items on eBay and you flip them, or you have some Amazon items. Maybe you publish some books on Amazon or whatever. If you have any kind or sort of small business and you want us to cover it, simply shoot us an email or call Miss Emma right there at the 877-587-4540. Excuse me. We'll send you a link. We'll feature your products, your arts, your crafts, or your small business live. We can show your website. We can run through your programs. We can let you have your moment to discuss what your products are and what your profit ratios are or whatever. I like to call it our live QVC option. You let us know and we let you feature whatever you got live. Okay. With that in mind, I'm going to show you a little bit more about the packages that we offer. Notice that green candle sneaking over here, trying to sneak up on the right. It's going to go ahead and make a run up here to the blue and make a profit. But we'll pop over here and watch a little information about our program, and then we'll be
While
back.
you're gambling on stocks, I'm building generational wealth systematically. Most people chase hot tips hoping to get lucky. Real wealth follows 3 pillars: build bulletproof credit, secure smart business funding, master risk-free trading in commodities, stocks, and crypto. This isn't gambling, it's systematic wealth building. Join our free Zoom class where I break down exactly how this works. No sales pitch, pure education. Stop gambling with your future and start building it systematically.
And I'm back. And here's the situation. So many people that I've talked to personally, that I've known now for over a year, didn't do anything with their investing ideas. Excuse me. And I promise you, the only gamble in life is that you're not investing. I know exactly where you'll be a year from now if you don't invest, and that is to be a year older and probably deeper in debt. With that in mind, let's learn a little bit more about one of our sponsors, Paradise Falls Taxi Service.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps, and that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
It's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
And we are back. Once again, that's little QR code up in the corner takes you to our live radio station. The radio station is a 24/7, best of the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond radio station playing live around the world. We're looking for listeners. Absolutely free to listen to. You can also scroll to the bottom of our landing page. Of course, naturally, when you open the radio station, there's an option to play. You can play the live music. You can Bluetooth that to anything. You can play it on your phone. You can play it in the car. You can Bluetooth it to your home stereo system, however you like. Would love to have you as a listener. And when you do log on as a listener, we see a little map indicator pop up. We may send a shout out to you in your general direction. Birthdays, anniversaries, special events, let us know and we'll feature you live. We'll play a song for you, whatever it is that you're interested in worldwide. With that in mind, we're watching that green candle try to trade up a little bit. It's going to naturally, it definitely will make a profit here in the next few minutes. But bearing that in mind, we've been on for 31 minutes, and that's plenty of time. Once again, we're going to feature Ms. Emma's going to sign us out. Ms. Emma, tell us about what they have available. If they'd like to join us for absolutely free, and sign us out, and we'll run on down the road.
Okay, again, you're free to contact me at our toll-free number. If you want a free consultation and try to get free training on the crypto trade program. So feel free to comment also on our Facebook page so that we can reach you back. All right. So God bless everyone. See you tomorrow, and good luck, everybody.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at RinconRocksRadio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.